Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the steps to delete your check-ins on Facebook using your PC. Whether you want to remove one or all of them, this process is simple and effective. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC by heading to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, locate your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it. And from the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. This section allows you to manage all your Facebook activity. Within the activity log, navigate to the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts. Here, you'll find a list of all your posts, including check-ins. Now, click on Check-ins to filter out only the posts where you've checked into locations. Browse through the list and select the check-ins you wish to delete. Once you've made your selection, look for the Recycle Bin option. Click on it to move the selected check-ins to the trash. Finally, confirm your action by clicking Confirm when prompted. This step ensures that your selected check-ins are permanently removed from your profile. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your check-ins on Facebook using your PC. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more guides or reach out for support. Thanks for watching.